my God! Justin Z06. What's up, guys? It's time for another mod to the Hellcat Redeye. So we've debadged the rear taillight. It usually says Dodge across here. We're gonna leave it debadged, but we're also gonna tint these. We're gonna use Lux Medium Smoke. And the main reason for tinting these is because Justin said that he really doesn't like the look of factory taillights. And since he's always gonna be seeing the taillights, since he'll be behind this car, we're gonna go ahead and make sure those are tinted so Justin can like what he sees as he's chasing us. What I like about the medium smoke is you can still see the difference between like the reverse light. You can still see that this is red a little bit, but it's also very muted. With the black, the dark smoke, it looks almost like it's painted black, and I don't really care for that very much. One thing you guys might notice, I mentioned this in another taillight tint video, there's a bunch of these little circles, and once you put tint on them, they become a lot more obvious. People ask us all the time, what is this, or is this something underneath the film? And the answer is no, that is a factory thing. Those are like mold marks from when they make the taillight. So you'll see, there's some on this outside one here too somewhere. But you'll see for sure on this middle piece what I'm talking about once we got tint on there. All right, guys, so that's it. We've got the taillights all tinted up. Let us know what you think in the comments section. Make sure you give us a thumbs up on this video if you like seeing what we're doing to the Redeye, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We will see you on the next mod.